Today, we're going to talk about a tool that is totally changing the game for how businesses look at their own information. We are going to demystify Microsoft Power BI and really dig into how it turns messy, raw data into some seriously brilliant decisions. Does this feel familiar? You've got information coming at you from all over the place. Sales figures, customer feedback, operations logs. But when it's time to make a big call, it feels like you're just guessing. You're basically swimming in an ocean of data, but you can't find a single drop of clean water to drink. All right, to really get a handle on the solution, let's start with a problem we can all understand. Let's invent a character. We'll call him Mr. X. He runs a super successful chain of general stores, and business is just booming. But, with that awesome growth comes a brand new and pretty overwhelming challenge. I mean, just think about how complicated this is. He's juggling several different locations, he has a huge inventory of products, and people are walking in and out all day, every day. Every single one of those little interactions, it generates a new piece of data. Yeah, to put that into perspective, if he just gets about 100 customers a day, that explodes to over 36,000 in a year. And that's just one data point. Imagine trying to keep track of every product sold, every purchase made, every single expense across every single one of his stores. It's a total tidal wave of information. So, of course, his team is trying to record everything. You've got sales slips, purchase orders, customer info, income, expenses, you name it, they're tracking it. But here's the problem. It's all trapped. It's just sitting there in these endless spreadsheets with thousands and thousands of rows. He has all the facts, but he can't see the big picture at all. So Mr. X has this light bulb moment. He realizes he can't make smart, strategic decisions by just staring at spreadsheets all day. It's impossible. So he does something smart. He hires an expert, a Power BI expert, to help him find a better way. And this is his introduction to the whole world of business intelligence. So what is business intelligence, or BI anyway? Well, it's actually pretty simple. It's just the process of taking all that messy, raw, confusing data and turning it into something clean, something meaningful. And, this is the most important part, something you can actually act on. It's all about making your data finally work for you. And the tool our expert brings to the table is, you guessed it, Power BI. What's kind of cool is that it comes from Microsoft. Yeah, the same company that makes Excel and PowerPoint. It's designed to be that next logical step in your data journey, taking you way beyond what a simple spreadsheet can do. And wow, this slide just perfectly illustrates the change. I mean, look at this. Before, Mr. X just had these endless walls of numbers, totally confusing, completely overwhelming. And after, all of that crazy information is summarized on one single interactive screen, which we call a dashboard. Suddenly, everything is clear. You can get insights just by looking at it. Okay, so how does it actually do this? How does it work? It might look like some kind of tech magic, but really, it boils down to a pretty logical three-step process that, honestly, anyone can get their head around. First step, you get data. Power BI basically connects to all your different information sources, whether they're Excel files, big databases, whatever, and pulls it all into one place. Second, you transform data. This is like the cleanup phase. You fix errors, you get rid of junk, and you shape it all up so it's ready for analysis. And third, the fun part, you visualize insights. This is where you build that awesome dashboard with interactive charts and graphs that really make your data come to life. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Hang on a second, can't I just do all this in Excel? And you know what? That is a great question. Because while they're kind of like cousins from the same Microsoft family, they are built for very, very different jobs. So here's the key difference, right? Excel is your champion for data entry, for doing calculations. It's fantastic for that. But Power BI is built for heavy-duty analysis and visualization. While Excel starts to really lag and even crash with a million rows of data, Power BI can handle massive data sets no problem. And instead of giving you those basic static charts, Power BI gives you these fully interactive dashboards that you can click on, explore, and share with your whole team online. But why? Why is a dashboard so much better than a giant table of numbers? Well, it actually comes down to some pretty basic human psychology. Our brains are literally hardwired to process visual information way, way more effectively than just plain text. This quote from our source material just nails it. It says, think about it. You remember a movie you saw once, but not the textbook chapter you studied for a month. Data is the same. It's so true, right? We remember stories we see, but we forget lists of facts we read. Visuals just stick with us. And that, right there, is the real magic of Power BI. It's not about making pretty pictures. It's about transforming those boring, forgettable tables of data into a compelling visual story. It creates a narrative that your brain can easily latch onto, understand, and maybe most importantly, actually remember later. So let's go back to Mr. X. With his new dashboard, he didn't have to guess anymore. He could see instantly that branch 2 was just crushing it. It was outperforming all the others. The data was telling him a clear story, and now he knew exactly where he should invest his money for more growth. He could finally make a smart decision backed by real, solid evidence. And that kind of brings us to the final thought here. Mr. X found the story that was hidden inside all his numbers, and that story helped his business grow. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What powerful, maybe even game-changing stories are just sitting there, waiting to be discovered inside your data?